if we look at page 302, number 35, step 1, write our symbols. So I have aqueous potassium iodide. So what's potassium?
K.
What's iodide?
I.
And it's aqueous. That's all I know for now. And it is mixed with silver, Ag, nitrate, NO3. That's on your cheat sheet. Okay? And that is aqueous solution. So they're both aqueous. On the other side, I have the precipitate silver iodide. Silver iodide. It's a precipitate. What's that tell me? Solid. It's leaving out something. What is it leaving out? The other product. If I have two compounds, I have to have two reactants. So Ag and I made the precipitate. What's left? K and NO3. Okay, step 1. I've written all the symbols. I am going to assume, since they told me that was not a solid, that this is aqueous. So, now I have to do charges. What's the charge of potassium?
1.
Iodine.
-1.
Silver.
1.
1. Nitrate.
-1.
So, we have an easy. They're all ones. I do not need any subscripts for anything. And if I don't have any subscripts, I probably don't need any coefficients either. I have one of everything. So, step 2, it's asking for a complete ionic equation. What did we say happens to stuff in solution? It breaks up. It dissociates. So now I am going to have potassium ions and iodine ions. I am going to have a silver ion and a nitrate ion. On the other side, I have a solid. Is that going to break apart? No. If it's a solid, or if it's water, water is a liquid, water cannot break apart. So my solid stays together. This is aqueous, so I'm going to have a potassium ion and a nitrate ion. So in reactions, so the ones that we did yesterday, we have stuff that's happening to cause that precipitate occur. And like I look at it like a basketball game. When you're in the basketball game, there's 15 players suited up, do all 15 play? So the ones that are on the bench and myself that's in the crowd, we are called what? Spectators. So a spectator ion is in the game, but they don't get to play. So a spectator ion is anything that is exactly the same on both sides. So I have a potassium ion, spectator. I have iodine, but this is put together, that's not the same. Silver is not the same. Nitrate is. Nitrate is a spectator. So when I really put this together, what happens is, in my net ionic equation, what actually happened is my iodine and my silver have produced silver iodide. All these other spectators are simply in that solution, moving around. They don't form anything really new. Does that kind of make sense? Okay.